Hey everyone, welcome to my Florida butterfly garden. Today I'm going to be working on getting some of my plants in the ground in this garden so they can get to growing and provide nectar for butterflies and pollinators. The first one going in is my new butterfly sage, and that is this one right here that I got at the nectary. Gets to be a pretty big shrub, so it will fill this whole space. Now this shrub is a Florida native, and it's a year-round bloomer, and it gets these really unique little round flowers on them. We will definitely be checking back in with this to see its flowers, because I love year-round, you guys. I love having year-round color. So as many year-round things as I can get in this garden, the better. Now on this other side, I am going to go ahead and trim the ovate leaf plantain all the way down to the ground. I've got some potted things back there that are going dormant, and those are going to go back to my garden work area. Then I'm going to plant a few more things in here, and I'm going to trim up this aster. Oh, this is my calico aster. I'm just going to shape it up a little because it tends to overgrow. Look, it has two trellises keeping it up, so this poor little aster here can get some sun and not have this thing laying on top of it. This little one, I want to say, is a blue aster. There we are, blue wood aster. You guys, I just came across a little most fabulous surprise when I was moving my potted plants that had gone dormant back to my work area. I found one that had a plant in it. Not only that, a plant I had gotten and forgotten about, and it is none other than the button Rattlesnake Master. Here it is, and look how sad it looks, but you can see it's putting out some new growth, so I'm gonna clean it up. Look, I even put a sign in it. How? I don't know. So here's the ovate leaf plantain before I cut it down. Now it does, look, you can see it's got some growth coming up down there. I think that's from it, or that's something else. I don't know, we'll find out. It does put out a nice, pretty full circle of basil leaves. So I'll probably put the two Rattlesnake Masters, one back there and one back there, kind of to offset it. Let's do it. Here is the other little one right here. Okay. Yeah, it looks like this growth. See the green on it over there? This is coming from the ovate leaf. So this is a great piece of debris that I'm just going to toss back sometimes if I get some good debris, but it's too big to put in my garden compost. I'll just come back here by the tree house. See back there? I'll just toss things back there. It can just decompose, or animals that might need any of that for anything can come get it. You know what? This border grass here going down lines this walkway, but this big clump right there doesn't really need to be there. And not only that, it's kind of encroaching on this kunti plant right here. So I could take this out, and I have another small kunti in a pot. I have a big kunti in a pot. I'm gonna put the big kunti right in here. That's up front. And so then it'll be like a whole row. There'll be one there, that one there, and then you can see there's more going on down there. They'll kind of sort of line the whole walkway out. Let's do that. That'll be fun. Okay, I got it out. That's fabulous. And even better, when I was taking the clump of border grass around to the side, I saw a monarch butterfly. It's just flying over there, actually around the wild lime. Do you see it flying around back there? Let me go get closer. Yeah, I don't see it anymore. I'm so sorry. I wanted to show it to you. Isn't it so funny at this time of year? Normally, like, monarch butterflies are just a common thing in my garden, but this time of year we see one and I'm like going crazy, like, oh, there's a monarch. I wish. Maybe I'll keep my eyes open, maybe I'll see it. But while we're here, let me show you something else. Okay, we're outside of the gate. I'm standing beside my side yard garden I'm working on. Do you see all the dirt right there? Well, when I dug up those clumps of border grass that were over in front of my Florida native wildflower garden, I just set them out here. Look, there's still more. I just put these ones over here. So they're like, look at the dirt. Look, it's dirt all the way down. They like broke down whatever was growing here, because it was that before I put him here, and it's just dirt. So I'm going to use that to my advantage and put them in this new plot. So the first row is the ones that are in the ground, but these ones right here, I just set down and they can break down what's under them, and then I'll just keep moving them over and moving them over. And well, a lot of this is dirt already, but that's fabulous. And they stay alive. I just shoot them with water once in a while and they're doing just fine. So I'm just going to set the clumps around and let them, you know, break down whatever's there, and it's going to be fabulous. Oh my gosh, look at the little bee there on the Mexican sunflower. Are you sunning yourself? Is it alive? What's it doing? It looks like it's doing bee yoga. See how its little legs stretched out? Huh. And look at this one. We're getting our first bloom, and there's lots of buds setting. And if those squirrels come out here and eat all these flowers, I'm gonna cry. Because look at these gorgeous. You know what else I'm gonna do? We're so off track. This is my channel, people. If you're here and you're enjoying this, tap the like button and subscribe to my channel. Oh, is he alive? Let me touch him. Oh, yep, he moved. Did you see it? Watch. Yep. Okay, he's just sunning himself. I think I'm gonna come out in all these dirt areas and just spread some more Mexican sunflower seeds. I mean, why not? Until I'm ready to plant this out. It'll be fabulous, right? Yes. And they're annuals. It's not like they're gonna take over and be here forever. It's just kind of a, I don't know. But look at them. I love them. I love them. I love them. I love them. Okay, let's get back in. Let's get back to work. What were we doing? We were working. Look how pretty. In the Florida native wildflower garden. And I'm gonna keep my eyes open for the monarch butterfly. There were 2 zebra longwings in here also. I'm seeing them every day. A couple, not a lot. Oh, there it is. Look, do you see it? Oh my gosh, land, please land. Come on, There's nothing up there. My sweet almond is not blooming. The flowers are all down here. Oh, it's so good to see that, though. It's so good to see that. Oh, okay, we're gonna land on the fire bush. Never mind, it came down to the red pentas. Of course, they love them. It's gorgeous, it looks new. Look at how huge its wings are. I think it's a female too. Are you a female? It looks like you're a female from the underside. Oh wow. What swamp milkweed do I have for them? None. What aquatic milkweed do I have for them? None. It's like all dormant. My aquatic milkweed is barely got any leaves on it. So sir, not sir, ma'am, where are you supposed to lay your eggs? Let me ask you. Could you tell me what you would like to lay eggs on in my garden? I have some white twine vine you could use. I have a small giant milkweed. I have a balloon milkweed that's gorgeous. It's tall. That's what I'm going to have next year. Plus all my natives. Come on, give us a big open wing. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Okay, she moved over here now. I paused to take some photos, and she is definitely a she. Wouldn't it be something if she went down and found my balloon milkweed? All right, we're gonna go back. I just want to stay here and keep looking at her. She's perfect. Okay, we're gonna go back to what we were doing. Off she goes. This is the kunti that I'm gonna go plant back there where we took out that border grass. And then that'll open up this spot for, I have some more potted Stokes aster. I can put one in there and fill in that space. Kunti is the host plant to the Atala butterfly that I'm trying so hard to get established in my garden now that they have moved up to Central Florida. I love it. And that hole left behind by that border grass is just about the perfect size for this kunti. There is a little Serenus blue flying around in here. It's been going between the snow square stem and the buttonwood sage. Or is it just button sage? I think it's just button sage. And there is a zebra longwing fluttering around. Landing on the Mexican sunflower. So beautiful. I love seeing butterflies. It's a gorgeous sunny day here in Florida. We're gonna get into the mid-70s today. I love it. This is my kind of winter. This is the only kind of winter I want. I don't want cloudy days, and I don't want cold. And the little Gulf fritillary caterpillar is still right here munching away on the Passiflora pallens. Okay, the kunti is in the ground. Both of the button Rattlesnake Masters are planted, and I trimmed up the calico aster and the smooth blue aster. So the smooth blue aster is now standing on its own. Calico aster looks so much better. Here are the two Rattlesnake Masters and the Coontie. So I'm gonna stop here, but oh my gosh, y'all, I have so much more to do. So make sure you're subscribed, because coming up next, I've still got the Stokes asters to plant. I have some starry rosin weeds to plant. I have another button sage to plant. I might plant over here where we just were, I'm not sure yet. I have two plants that I rescued from a nursery that I'm gonna save and plant. And there's just so much more. I'm gonna take you in real quick and let you see some adorableness, because there is adorableness to be seen. The baby giant swallowtail caterpillars are growing. You can see, look at that little leaf he's been munching. And they're thriving. I am so glad. I did take them in one night because we got down into the 40s and I was just not gonna risk it. Pure adorableness. The polydama swallowtail eggs have not hatched, so I'm still keeping an eye on them. There's still a chance they could be viable. I hope you enjoyed hanging out in my garden with me, and please tap the like button. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe to my channel. My name is Susan. I garden in Central Florida, Zone 10A. My entire backyard is designed as a habitat for so many species of butterflies, and in the season, there's butterflies everywhere here. We're in the off season now, but it'll be here before we know it. Bye everyone, thanks for watching. I'll see you on Monday.